Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back on the R34 body swap. I got a lot done this last little while. It was all stuff that was off camera. It's nothing too special, but there's some cool stuff that came in and is now done. Let's go with some of the body parts first. We got some of the carbon fiber. So carbon vented hood has showed up. Fits pretty good. I had to do some heating on the side to flex this down to line up with the fender better, but it's pretty much there. I got the washer squirters mounted. We've got the rear trunk and rear lip spoiler, which this spoiler gets rid of the third brake light. So what I've done, I've hooked this reverse light up to the rear brake, so this will be the third brake light, and I just got to paint that lens translucent red. This side stays as the reverse light. And then the big part is the dash came in. So the interior, the dash, the center console, the carpet, the seats, that's all done. The only thing that needs doing on the interior now is the door cards and the rear seat delete panels. So let's go have a look inside. Oh, and since it's all wired up, we can now use the key. But look, we come up to the car, we push our button to lock, we push our button to unlock. That's all functioning. I got a little piece of tape here. I got to address a little tear I accidentally put in the side here, so I got to fix that. But these are those new side panels, all covered in fabric. I got some nice black screws in there. I've got little plastic trim pieces that cover the heads of the screws. And dash is in. So this is what was redone, this whole top part of the dash, and that was so you wouldn't see the foam in this gap when you look through the window. Had to delete the passenger side airbag on the dash. I had to delete that because with the dash being rewrapped, it was wrapped over the old material. And there's no guarantee that the airbag can blow through. So I was told by the upholsterers to delete that. So passenger airbags deleted. Side curtain airbags are deleted because R34 doesn't have side curtain. I've put resistors in place. I've gone through and rebooted the system, and we have no airbag lights, so that's all 100%. I've tested out our power windows. Power windows work perfect. And if we go back here into the rear, you can see this was the shortened piece in the center console that's now being recovered, and the shortened speaker box has been recovered, and everything fits as it should. Full center console is working. I guess you want me to power it up, so here, key on, accessory, power on. And if we go over here to the power windows, we'll just go over here to the passenger side. So one touch, power down, and then power up, and then driver's side, power up, and one touch, power down. So that's all 100%. The radio works. Not going to play too much of that because you don't want to get in the copyright thing, but anyway. Center radio is all hooked up. All the different things here. We got So just took the car for its first maiden voyage. We're just in the on the island where my shop is, so some quiet roads here. Just able to drive it around, make sure everything's functioning, nothing's rubbing. I was able to get some low profile 20-inch tires which I had laying around, and I threw those on, and they are very stretched on the rear, but they gave me enough clearance that I could drive the car. So this is the first drive, and then it's going to go body and paint is next, and hopefully next time you see this thing we should be all painted up. So that's where I'm at with this thing, but it's looking good. I just taped the old front window in for now, just so I could drive without getting crap blown in my face. But yeah, it's good. Everything's functioning as it should. And just gonna go put this back in the shop and call the body and paint guys. See ya.